Magandang umaga, ako si FO1 Diana Jane Wario at nandito tayo ngayon sa Bantay Fire Station, Fire Truck Bay para sa retirement honors ni Fire Inspector Edmond A. Foliante.
To our provincial fire marshal, fire senior superintendent Colonel Bito Sir, to our deputy provincial fire marshal, Colonel Tipanin, fire chief inspector Elmer Siabuyan Sir, to all city and municipal fire marshals present today, men and women in uniform, good morning. So standing before you on my final day in uniform feels a little emotional. After 22 years of PNP service, it's hard to believe that this chapter is coming to an end. But as I look around this venue, at my family, my friends, and my brothers and sisters in the fire service, I'm reminded of what an incredible journey has been. When I first walked in the fire station, those years ago, what I found was a second family. A group of people who would stand shoulder to shoulder with me in the toughest moments life can throw at us. We share a lot of unforgettable memories. We've seen tragedies, but we've also witnessed miracles. We work through heat, smoke, rain, and exhaustion, always pushing forward because someone needed our help. Our provincial fire marshal, senior superintendent Colonel Bito, fellow fire marshals, and the rest of the PNP family, thank you for taking care of me. It was a fulfilling and memorable working journey with you all. To my fellow firefighters, thank you for your courage, your dedication, and your trust. Thank you for the countless memories that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. You are the bravest people I know. And it has been the honor of my life to serve alongside you. For my family, you are the quiet heroes behind every firefighter. Thank you for your patience and sacrifices and your unwavering support. Thank you for your understanding of these holidays. The late night calls and the moments when I came through the door carrying more than just smoke on my ear. I couldn't have done any of this without you. To my community we serve, it has been my privilege to protect you. Every call, every rescue, every act of service has reminded me what this job matters. As I move into retirement, I may be hanging up my helmet, but I'll never stop being part of this family. I look forward to slowing down a little, spending more time with my loved ones, and maybe even enjoying a quiet morning without an alarm. But I always be cheering for you, for this department, and for the mission we share. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the trust, and thank you for giving me a career I am proud of every single day. Stay safe, take care of each other, and keep the tradition alive. Again, thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Happy retirement, Sir Foliante, at see you around sa BFP Ilocos Sur. 1. Ilocos Sur.